Good morning, and today is my first 5.3 day of the semester, and I'm going to class. Yes, I am so excited. I doubt that. So, anyway, so today I don't know if it's a spend day with me or anything, but yeah, I'm filming, so don't worry about the background. I'm just using some shortcuts. I'm early for the class. For the next class. Yes. So today I will be doing some, what do you say? Okay. DIY. So yeah. Called kuvuka milima na mabonde na mito. But anywho, yeah. I look so nice and I am so happy. Kuna kitu inaogopesha kama kuchukua video na kurecord and people are looking at you. Maniwambie tu they should just follow me. But anywho. So anyway, today's first class is pharmaceutical chemistry. And yeah, I can't wait to come back and do the DIY thingy. Yes. But first let us go and try and be focused for this lesson. Yeah. What a great way to start my day. I love the confiance, the confidence. So yes. Fling, fling, fling. What a confidence booster. I was kind of worried that I am late. But guess who's early?
So here you can show something like this. You guys should write them in mind. Something like this.
Anywho, so we're done with our class for the day. So for my DIY today, I got myself a plastic flower and I want to like create a vase or something for it with some pebbles and some soil. So I want to go and collect them. I don't know if I'll find them, but yeah, have an idea of where I'll find them. Yeah. That class was, I'm glad I'm still alive, but so it's in the afternoon right now, and I don't know, I think my video is a bit sluggish, but so after class I went for my pebble collection and it did not go so well because, well, I thought I've been walking on that road like for many years and I thought I saw them stones. Perhaps I did not, so I ended up just collecting a different kind, almost the same color but at least kokoto anyway. Hopefully zitakaa poa nikishaziosha. Then kuna mti imekatwa nikaokota sawdust. I'm very sure watu wenye walikuwa wanapita hapo, unajua how people mind their own business, people were just minding their own business but they were judging, I'm sure. So there was also a lecturer, I think so, because he looked like one who passed by and then he's like, okay, so what is this one now doing? Mchana hii on a beautiful Monday kuna mtu anataka ku exhibit some type of madness, but anywho, so kaniuliza nilikuwa naokota mawe ya nini, so ikabidi tu nimemexplainia so ningedu but anyway, And regards to lunch, I got myself juice and some pilau. Juu nilisema kukula ni kazi. I guess ndo maana sihizi nikanaona hata niende gym. Juu nilisema kukula ni kazi. Nimechukua pilau kwa sababu ina take a shorter time for me kumaliza. Hizo chakula zingine man, I have to eat nifike pahali, pray, then eat again, then I feel they just take a lot of time. So I'm going to take my lunch and then continue with my DIY. So yeah, I just feel nice kwa sababu I mean kujirecord na kujiongelesha is not easy, but I'm beginning to adopt to it. So yeah, also I'm getting ideas in my head. Anywho, so I'm just going to take lunch and then continue with my DIY. So this is the flower, my beautiful flower. Maua ya 220 220. It's better than nothing. So yeah, at least hii semester yote okay, hopefully itabo you need the same color, same flower, so itafika palibo. But yeah, so acha nitengeneze DIY and then taona, maybe nitabuy roses zingine and then nizikaushe zenye ni real, then niziekeke hapo and then tuone kama ile yenye iko pale. So yeah, acha nikule lunch. So yeah, you see, ingekuwa ni ugali na chapata sidhani kama ningekuwa nimemaliza, but anywho, so hii ndo mkebe tunaenda kutumia. Nataka kuikata, nikiikata nje tuone. Okay, sijui kama ifike hapa ama okay, tuone. Sijui nikatie hapa ama niikatie hapa. Nitaikatia hapa. Tutaongeza maua as time goes, but yeah, one step at a time. So nitakatia hapo. Yeah, that's why you should not throw away, but anyway, ningetaka kukuwa na mmea real yenye imepandwa and stuff, but nani atamwagilia maji? At least time nitakuwa namaliza shule natoka hostel na mwaga tu hizi vitu zote kama nimechukua maua yangu na yes. So sawdust. So nafaa kuenda kuosha maua yangu ikae poa. Taiweka tu hapa ndani alafu yes. Alafu sasa nikuja nione. Taipanga juu and then tutaona what happens. So yeah, I'm excited. I mean, before I start this semester on a good note. I have assembled everything with a knife. This one, my stones, and this one is my soil. So yeah, let me cut this first, then I continue. So penye imefika nimeshaanza kujiambia beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, and in this situation I am the beholder. So ndo ikae vizuri, ni mimi ndo nitaona hivyo. Mtu asipoona hivyo, hiyo ni yake. Mawe zangu nimeziosha. Oh my goodness, nimeziosha na ka toothbrush one by one. Well, they are not giving pebbles, but beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, and I am none other than the beholder, so I'm the one who will see that. Furaha mpwito mpwito, furaha isiyo na kifani. Anyway, so I had to do some readjustments off camera. So nilikuwa naona sijui nimefeel nataka kuongeza hii stuff, maybe ndio ikuwe refu kiasi, but then kulikuwa na hapa kutoka hapa hadi hapa kuko na hii sawdust, so nikaamua acha nifinye ziingie, alafu ndo like zifanane, nisikuwe naona hapa transparent. No, ilikuwa inaniuma, I don't know, yeah, so ikabidi nimetengeneza and yay, beauty lies in the eyes of who? The beholder. You got it right. So, and I'm the beholder, and I think it's very beautiful. So location for storage, give my closet, but tunaenda kuweka hapa. Yep, so itakuwa inakaa hapo. So this is my first DIY project. Yep, successful, and this one is also successful. Na feel inakaa poa. Yeah, if you check my other YouTube videos utaona there was a point me and my friend tulienda kutafuta maua. Maua ziko hii shule zote zenye tumesoma they are poisonous, so I mean, so yeah, and I'm proud. Yay! Hey, furaha. And then I'll be putting my cup here for water, my water cup, and pink, and I'm so happy. Perhaps I don't have to see it if I don't, and well, but it just looks nice. It's a nice addition to our room. And anywho, so I think that is it for today, for me and how my morning and afternoon was. And yeah, I'm so happy. I'm just going to sit here and try and do something nice. And yeah, I think, yeah, we'll see each other. We'll hear from each other. You guys will hear from me another day. So thank you for watching my video, my YouTube video. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Like and subscribe and comment. I'll be so happy to build a community. Yay! So bye. Success in whatever you guys do. We'll see each other another time. Ciao.